Hi, Annie here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Michael Kors medium pebbled leather double zip crossbody. I picked up the color light sand for the summer. It's very soft and comfortable. So this is the back, and there's a flap here. There's attach the strap on there, crossbody strap. There for the cards. Here because it's open flap there, and then the second zip. Got the Michael Kors there, and you've got 3 additional slots there for cards. Pretty narrow, so it's very compact and small. So very soft, comfortable against the body. So I look forward to wearing this in the summer. So again, this is the Michael Kors medium pebbled leather double zip